Yeah. But then again, if that is not in the Vinaya rules, that using toilet that seniors had been first in line. I don't know. I'm not so sure about that rule. But I know that seniors.
Actually, you're right. Buddha advised to, if you are in that type of situation, there is no seniority theory applied. See, flexible, no seniority there. First come, first serve. Don't go that far because there are so many rules coming after one and after. Then what happened? The monk left the toilet without complete using the water. They left some water in the basket. Then other group of monk, one of monk who belonged to Dhamma group, very theoretical, traditional, conservative type, start to criticize after this thing. Small argument went to bigger and bigger. I don't think that's not the real reason. Maybe the writer thought, take the toilet to us, then you can see bad smell very easy. I don't think so, but anyway, this class went many places. Buddha heard that story. They came to that center, invited to both groups, advised them, stop. There's nothing to get arguing each other. Be united. Samagga hota, be united. Ma vivadata, do not argue. What the Buddha theory is going to apply. Argue is a very popular in Western world. Always try to argue. You are right? Yes, you are right, but I am right too. Yes, your theory is applicable. My theory more powerful than yours. Argument always bring something not easy to work together. That's the Buddha's message. First time consulted, no negotiation. He came second time, start again consultation with the two groups. What happened? It failed. Then Buddha after one more time came. This was the last. Buddha with very strong determination, this is going to be last forever. What happened? Again split. Nobody want to follow, they wanted to continue. Okay? But Buddha come to the decision. Monk, you are not giving up your bad behavior. I won't stay with you. No any negotiation, no any communication, no any association. Because you are not in Buddhist way. I am leaving from you, stay somewhere, not any human being. He went to somewhere to take a break. Oh, the story say he went to jungle, monkey came, elephant came. Forget it, all these nice stories. We are not kids. That's good for Sunday school. Elephant came like this, for like this. That's not the way to teach this type of well-educated, well-experienced audience. Anyway, Buddha gave a time. Apply, before go deeper, if you have that type of disagreement in your family, what you should do? You're with your husband or your wife or your kids. How do you apply this theory? You have to have at least 1, 2, 3 times negotiation with your family members. First time, don't give up. What we do today? Come forward. Oh, I don't care. Oh, I am done. No, that's not work very well. Give time both party. Speak very clearly and consistently. Don't bring one story, one time another story, second time. No, same story. Bring all the time with the details. How do you have that type of negotiation in family? What is your experience? I know we are Asian. What we do? Children, I am your mom. No choice. You must. Husband, I am the man. Luckily we very few in our You follow my order. My way is a highway. I have a funny theory for that one. My way is a freeway. What does mean freeway? We have two meanings. In Malaysia, we don't have freeways. We have highways. In America, we have freeways. Freeways mean go all the way around the country, connect to one state to another state. Speed limit 70 per hour, mean kilometers over 110. It means anybody can drive very fast, very safe. All are follow rules. If not, police stop and give a certificate, like I call gift certificate. Not to give to police money. That's why gift certificate. Freeway mean everyone free. See, this one Buddha gave a time, but to that 4 sessions, 3 sessions. At the end, have a concrete solution. Elect. What happened? Buddha went to forest without telling anybody. What today we do at home? When both parties get upset, what take car, run away. Then other one calling, have you heard my so-so? I haven't heard. This morning we had a small issue and disagreement, he left. Another, hey, do you know my wife is? I had a small disagreement, she left. She took her, she left. No, that's not the solution. Buddha what did Buddha did? Buddha went to very authorized people, informed them. These two group of monks destroying themselves and destroying Buddhism. Therefore, I need a break. You guys have come forward. What happened? Third party involved. Who was the third party? Lay community. See? That's the real management. The lay community came forward. What's going on? You're using your physical and mental power to fight. We are going to stop providing arms. Mean energy. No more food. And they were so powerful and strong, they deserted all the temple. What happened? Then a negotiator or arbitrator involved. Who was the arbitrator? Ananda. See, management concept. Now Buddha knows the scene. Now who involved the scene? Lay community and clergy community. Without leader. But leader keep connection with the lay community leaders. Put in the middle peacemaker or negotiator person, Anand, personal assistant. What happened? Monk came to one solution to stop meaningless debate. And what happened next? The peacemaker confirmed to the leader, everything is okay, you have to come back and meet the group again. See how many steps? Small class became a bigger and bigger. 3 times group meeting didn't work. Then with the proper plan, the leader led the group and third party involved, and always somebody observing the situation. Apply this one for family. Clash between your son and daughter. What you should do as a parent. So many families, I don't know, Malaysia, I know